Hey guys, George Hicks here. If you follow me online, then you know me as Curious Credit. So I'm making this quick video just to give you two options. Either I'm going to teach you how to fix your own credit, so you can fix your own credit, and then afterwards, if you want to help families and friends, you can help them fix their credit. Or if you don't really have the time and you got too much going on in life and you just need someone that you can depend on to actually fix your credit and get the job done, then I'm going to give you that option to allow me and my team to work and help you out. But beforehand, I definitely want to show you guys what we can actually do and give you the two options to choose from. So I'm going to show you a couple of clients that we've helped here recently. I'll just show you two or three, keep it quick, and then down below you can literally just click on whether you want us to teach you or have the option to learn how to fix your credit for yourself, or if you would actually like us to help you fix your credit and we can talk to you more about your credit situation, or you can tell us about what's going on with your credit. We can go from there. Okay, so we're going to start off with case study number one. This is William. Long story short, reached out to us because he wanted to refinance his home. Lost his job earlier, obviously fell behind on some things. Some things ended up falling on his credit report, dropping his scores. So just real quick, just to show you where he started from. So as you can see, when he started the program, he started at a 554, 557, and 557. By the time he finished our program, we had got him up to 754 with TransUnion, 755 with Experian, and then 765 with Equifax. Now, in order to help him get his scores up, as you can see here, we had got late payments and collections and stuff removed off his credit report. There was a total of 32 negative items removed and a total of $28,828 worth of debt that was removed off his credit. So as you can see, he has some stuff with Macy's, Bank of America, Security Bank, Sam's Club, Lowe's. So just tons of stuff. Nelnet loans that was able to help get off of his credit, Home Depot, Macy's, Chase. Was able to help him get those items removed, get his scores up. Obviously, was able to easily be able to refinance his home. All right, case study number two. This one is going to be with Derek. So basically, Derek was wanting to get his scores up so he could purchase some land. So as you can see here, give me one moment. Okay, so as you can see here, he started off at a 646, 650, and 659 in our program. By the time he was done with the program, we got his scores up to a 739 with TransUnion, 751 with Experian, and 757 with Equifax. Now, Derek issue, as you can see here, there was collections and late payments. As you can see, the items and whatnot, but got a total of 23 negative items removed off his credit report and $16,704 worth of debt removed off his credit, helping him get his scores up. Okay. Case study number three. Let's see here. Okay. Adriana basically wanted to be able to purchase a home. Have to have your credit scores up to a certain point with that. So she wanted help getting items removed off her credit reports. Typically, you have to get your scores up to at least about a 620 when it comes to trying to get a home. So as you can see here, starting off, we have a 551, 572, and a 544. By the end of the program, she was looking at a 660 with TransUnion, 669 with Experian, and then we have a 712 with Equifax. So obviously high enough for her to qualify as a home buyer and was able to get a home. So long story short, as you can see here, joining our program, we've been doing this for like 20 years, almost 20 years now. So we definitely have a lot of experience. We know what we're doing. We have dealt with most of the companies, if not all of them, that throw stuff up people's credit reports. So again, just wanted to offer you the opportunity to get help from professionals who can help you speed this process up and actually help you get the results that you're looking for, especially if you're looking to buy a home. If you're looking to buy a home, we have a special dedicated for those individuals as well. So definitely check out what we have to offer below. Again, this is a one-time offer. Once you leave this page, you won't have access to get this offer again. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all this real quick. So I had a client, got 24 late payments removed. The credit scores are now in the mid 700s. But let me see. Let me show y'all. So you can see that their score went from a 688 to a 765 with Equifax, 685 to 753 with Experian, 682 to 763 with TransUnion. Okay, so and then let me go to, hold on. Okay, and then to the good old item removal log. Waiting for that to load up. Okay, and then boom, 24 items removed. Had tons of late payments. So got those removed. Scores jumped up into the 700s. Good to go.